What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Stussy collab with Nike Air Max 2013 black colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the marking area here, there is a little bit gap between the two layer, the black layer here, where it's on the authentic one. It's really close, the layer here. Another one, this one, you can see the material direction on the fake one is completely wrong than on the authentic one. As you guys can see here, on the fake one is vertical. You can see the material surface, where it's on the authentic one, it's kind of a little bit horizontal. And also the Nike shoes position here slightly go down on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the marking area, the Nike shoes slightly go down, it touched the midsole. And also there are only 3 holes on the fake one. You can see on the air bubble, where it's on the authentic one there are 4 holes, 1 2 3 4. Another one also, as you guys can see, slightly go down the Nike shoes here, it touched the midsole. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, still same in this one. The direction of the material here is vertical on the fake one, where it's on the authentic one is kind of slightly horizontal, and also it's pointing a little bit down. And this one on the marking area here, there are only 3 holes on the fake one, where it's on the authentic one there are 4 holes on the air bubble. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the midsole here, between the upper material and the midsole, there is a glue stain here. It's looking so dirty. There's a white glue stain, where it's on the authentic one is clean, looking very clean. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the arrow here, the eclipse here is slightly horizontal, slightly straight horizontal on the fake one, where it's on the authentic one is slightly go down, it's a little bit sloopy here. Looking from above here, as you guys can see on the toe box on the Nike shoes here, on the fake one there is a stitches here, where it's on the authentic one there is no stitches here. Right on top of the Nike shoes there is no stitches. And also the material surface here, the eclipse here is slightly shorter on the fake one compared to the authentic. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you guys can see, between the upper material and the midsole here, there is a white glue stain on the fake one. It's looking so dirty, where it's on the authentic one is looking so clean. As you guys can see here, white glue stain right on top of the midsole. Again, another sample, the black layer here slightly go down, it's a little bit shorter, and also the white glue stain here looking so dirty. Another sample also is, as you guys can see on the fake one, on the material here, the material direction is totally wrong. This one is vertical, this one is horizontal. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just let me know by leave in the comment section down below, and feel free to DM me on my Instagram if you have any question or request. And thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.